Hi students, in this video we will discuss about a preprocessor directive called hash error. So here the preprocessor directive hash error indicates an error message. Here the compiler gives the fatal error if error directive is found, that is if an error is occurred, so this directive is found, it will give this error message. If no error is found, so if error is occurred, it skips the further compilation process, and if no error is found, then the else part or else code will be executed. Now let us see one simple example how this preprocessor directive hash error works. Here I have an example called hash include stdio.h and hash include math.h. Two header files I have included. If and if, that is if math.h is not defined, ndef represents not defined. If math.h is not defined, this error code will be executed. What is that error message? First include, then compile. This error message will be shown. Otherwise, if it is included, if the header file is included, then it goes to this part, else part. Here there is a code called int main, then it displays, so it displays the square root of 100 will be displayed onto the screen. Now in this example math.h we have included, so run your program, so it goes to the else part and it displays the message x equal to 10, that is the square root of 100 is displayed onto the screen. Now if you want to clear the screen, you can use clr ser. Now run your program once again, so you can see x equal to 10 will be displayed onto the screen. Now in order to get this error message, now I will remove this math.h header file. Now if you observe, if and if, that is if not defined. So have we included math.h header file in our program? No. So we have not included. So if and if not defined, yes, we have not defined. So now it will give an error message. So this program will not be executed. So this error message will be displayed when we compile our program. Now you can see the error. What is the error? So the same error what we have written, first include, then compile. Error directive, this will be displayed onto the screen. Now if this in the same program, if we include the header file math.h, then our program will execute successfully. So this error directive will not be executed. Now you can change this value to, in place of 100 you can use 110 or 1000 you take. Now run your program, no issues. But the same program, remove this math.h and try to execute. It gives an error message. What we have defined there, first include and then compile. That is which one? Math.h should include and then compile. Okay, that is about hash error. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.